In the cozy sunlight of a living room, a tabby cat lounges on a plush cushion, the picture of relaxation. Suddenly its nose twitches, ears perk up, and an unexpected sneeze erupts, startling both the cat and the viewer. But the comedy doesn't stop there. In a hilarious twist, the sneeze sets off a sequence of clumsy tumbles as the cat karate kicks a decorative pillow midair. As it regains its composure, it gives a nonchalant look to the viewer, as if saying, "I meant to do that." Meanwhile, upbeat, catchy music keeps the rhythm flowing. Add in some quirky sneeze sound effects and the whole scene becomes irresistibly charming.